All right, we're going to do our poetry lesson for today. In your calendar block for Thursday for reading, you are going to color your sight words in our poem this week, which is called Play. So I'm going to just begin by reading the poem to you guys. And you can read it with me too. Play. He said, "Come here. I want to play." So we went outside to play all day. All right, that is our poem this week. And this week, your color code for what to color each sight word, again, is on your calendar for week 6. All right, so I'm going to begin with our first word, which is play, and we are going to color it red. Play. Where do you see the first play? It's in our title. So I'm going to color it. I'm going to circle and color it red. I borrowed Ella's crayons for this today so I could actually do it with you. All right, I don't think that's the only play, because I remember yesterday for our lesson when I was introducing the poem that I showed you a couple plays that were found in the poem. So let's whisper read, and when we get to another play, we can read it loudly. So we are going to start by reading play loud. Play. He said, "Come here. I want to play." So we went outside to play all day. So how many plays are there? There are 3. All right. So our next word that we're going to find is the word he, and we are going to color it orange. Now, when I find my sight words, I like to just go in order. I like to go from one word to the next. So we've already colored the first word in the title, so I'm going to go to the next, so the first row. And what is that word? That is the word he. So, and that's what we're coloring. So I'm going to circle it orange and color it. And again, that is the word he, H-E, which is a kindergarten sight word. And he is not found anywhere else, though I do want to show you guys something that you might, if at first glance, look at and think it might be he, is this right here. I see a he within the word, but remember, if we're finding just the word, it has to be alone. So it can't have any other letters on the end of it. So that won't be the word he. And actually, we're going to touch on that word in a minute. So what is the next word after he? That word is said. Said, S-A-I-D, said. And said is another one of our kindergarten sight words. We're going to color the word said yellow. Said. And that is the only said within the poem. All right, so he said, "Come." Come is not a kindergarten sight word. But what is the word after it? That is the word here. This is the word that I just showed you has he at the beginning. This is the word here. And here is a kindergarten sight word, and we are going to color it green. All right, and there's only one here in our poem. So if I keep moving, I go to my next row. What is this right here? That's an I. You know I is a kindergarten sight word, so we're going to do that one blue. And I don't believe I see any more uppercase I's by themselves. So I'm going to put down my blue, and I'm going to get my purple in my hand. Okay, and after I is want. That is not one of our kindergarten sight words. So if I go to the next word, it's T-O. What is that word? To. And to is a kindergarten sight word. We're going to color it purple. Can you guys show me where the other 2 is? The funny thing is, it is before the same word that it's before up here. It's before the word play. So if I find that other word that's in the poem play, and I look before it, I'm going to find a 2. So here's the other red, and if I jump before it, there's the other 2. All right, so we have 2 2s. I'm going to set down my purple, and I'm going to get my last color, which is pink. So I want to play so. So is not a kindergarten sight word. The next word after so is W-E, which is we. And we is a kindergarten sight word. So we are going to color that pink. Now, before I put my crayon down, I want to ask you guys, is this the word we? I see W-E there. Is that the word we? No, remember W-E has to be by itself with no other letters. So this is it. Even though if I cover up that N and T, it looks like we, that's actually the word went. So that is all our kindergarten sight words in this poem. So will you read it with me again? Play. He said, "Come here. I want to play." So we went outside to play all day. I'm so sorry that you guys can't go outside to play all day today, but hopefully this rain will let up. I think it's supposed to rain all day today, but hopefully tomorrow will be nicer. I haven't checked out the weather, so I'm not quite sure. But I hope you guys recharge today inside, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, love you.